Hey, welcome to another episode of the Masters of Movement. I want to take you through some of our favorite glute exercises. Something I hear all the time on the programs. I don't feel my glutes. And I don't believe in glute amnesia. I don't believe that anybody's glutes don't fire. But I do like to put some movements in that'll definitely allow you to feel your glutes and maybe get a burn and maybe allow you to have a better mind-muscle connection. So we're going to take you through one of my favorites. It's the single leg RDL using a band to resist. So Chris is going to get that band nice and high on the hip, up in the crotch. Now he's going to grab opposite hand, and we're going to work on a single leg RDL, band resisted. So really focusing, good. And then when he drives through, I really want to press through at the top. Good. Single leg RDL, band resisted. And one more. Excellent. Chris is doing a great job in terms of balancing. If you're really struggling on the balance aspect, you can also set the band up to where you can use your offhand to help balance you a little bit through the movement. But as you get more advanced, we want to continue to work on that element of balance and work it through. So come check us out for more glute activation at Power Athlete HQ. Hey, thanks for tuning in to Power Athlete. And if you're ready to take your life and your training to the next level, you can come check us out at powerathletehq.com/training. If you're into some cool merch, come check us out at the shop, powerathletehq.com. And if you really want to go down the rabbit hole, we got the premier podcast in strength and conditioning, Power Athlete Radio. And other than that, get the fuck out.